Welcome back to Kalpa Art. In our previous video, we practiced the pointed petal shape. Today, we'll explore a few more common shapes that are perfect for mandala designs. These simple shapes will help you build confidence in creating structured, balanced patterns. In this worksheet, we'll be practicing different shapes, including teardrop petals, diamond shapes, and rounded petals. Each of these shapes has unique characteristics and can be used to create different effects in your mandalas. The pattern practice sheet I've provided here is in a square grid format. Practicing in a structured grid like this helps you focus on mastering each pattern with precision and consistency. Once you're comfortable, try applying the same patterns within a circular mandala grid. This will help you understand how patterns flow naturally in curved spaces, making your mandalas look more organic and well-balanced. The transition from square to circular grids will improve your control and confidence in designing intricate mandala patterns. We have already practiced many variations of this dome-shaped petals in our previous video. These shapes can be drawn outward into the outer spaces of the mandala, gradually forming larger petals and expanding the design. Practicing these types of shapes will be helpful when designing ornamental mandalas, adding intricate and decorative elements to your artwork. Watch closely as I draw each curve, connecting the intersecting points to form a beautiful and harmonious shape. When practicing these petals within a circular mandala grid, you'll need to connect the intersecting points of the concentric circles and radial lines, just like this. Each of these shapes can be modified and combined in endless ways, so have fun experimenting. Keep practicing, and in the upcoming videos, we'll explore how to fill these shapes with patterns to create stunning mandala elements. Adding some twin circles in between petal layers will create a unique look and enhance the overall feel of the design. If you'd like to have this practice sheet and practice along with me, feel free to comment yes below and email me at kalpaartauh@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.